Well, I've taken lots of notes, I printed out the troubleshooting manual, and looked at the old schematics and went through everything point by point that I could. So now my last ditch effort is going to be, I'm going to start at the bottom and then just work my way up. So mostly I'm going to concentrate on the old capacitors that I didn't change. All the stuff like on here, it's old mica ones. So I think that might be the problem. I got a little bag of 100 picofarad capacitors, and I'm going to go through and start replacing all of these that I didn't before. And after I replace one or two, I'll turn it on and test it, see if it works. If not, I'll keep going through and keep replacing them all. I replaced 3 of the capacitors here, these 3. So I'm just going to power it up and see what happens. Well, test 1 is still nothing, no sound at all, just a slight hum. Test 2, after replacing these 2. Nope, nothing. Changed out 3 more. This is test 3, I think. Nothing. Still dead.